Hi everyone, welcome back. There are 12 verb tenses in English, and this video will teach you about the 3 perfect verb tenses, just a name. Present perfect, past perfect, and of course, future perfect. Past perfect is a verb tense used for a past action that happened before another past action or time. Two things happening in the past. I had been to New York City twice before I moved there. She had gotten lost, so she missed the plane. You can see the red verbs are happening before the black verbs. After he had done his chores, he fell asleep. And we had taken 3 tests by Tuesday. This had happened. Future perfect is a verb tense used for a future action that will happen before another future action or time. This time it's 2 things happening in the future. And again, the red verbs are going to happen before the black verbs. I will have been to New York City twice before I moved there. She will have bought a house by the time she's 20. We will have learned Chinese before we visit China. By 7 p.m., you will have finished your homework. This will have happened. Present perfect is a verb tense used for things that started in the past and might continue into the future. You have studied English for years. She has read half of the book so far. Maybe she will finish, maybe not. We have completed most of our work today. He has gone to the office 5 times this week. Maybe he will go again. This has happened. And now for a quick review. Past perfect. Happened before another action. I had played baseball before I cooked dinner last night. Present perfect. Started in the past and it might continue. I have played baseball a few times this week. Future perfect. Will happen before another action. I will have played baseball before I cook dinner tonight. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you next time.